Hi all, welcome to forceGalaxy. So topic देख के आप सबको पता चल ही गया होगा what we will going to discuss in this video. Yes, we will going to discuss about the fake experiences. Okay, whether we should go with this fake experience or not. Okay, and what things we should or how we will going to handle all this fake experience after getting a job. Okay, what are the pros and cons. Okay, so ये सब चीजें हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में. Okay, so let's start with the video. So first let's discuss what are the different types of fake experiences we have. Okay, सबसे पहले तो वो लोग जो freshers हैं and they are not getting any cause. So what they used to do, they used to add some years of experiences as a fake experience. Okay, and used to try to get a job as an experienced person now. Okay, now the second वो आते हैं जो the one who are from the non-IT background. Okay, and want to switch now into this IT background. Okay, so 6-7 साल उन्होंने किसी और जगह पे काम करा as a non-IT person and now they want to switch to this IT, especially to the Salesforce. Okay, so what they used to think that we have already given 6-7 years. Now instead of going as a fresher, they used to add some experience so that they can get some sort of good package. Okay, so because of which they used to add this fake experience. Okay, next वो लोग जो already IT में काम कर रहे हैं but they want to switch to some other technology. So what they used to do, they used to replace their roles and responsibility to the technology to which they want to switch. Okay, now the next thing is, should we apply or should we go with fake experiences or not? Okay, so what I think personally is I am also not going to favor this or I am also not in oppose. I am not also going to oppose this. Okay, सबकी अपनी कंडीशन है, सबकी अपनी नीड है, सबके अपने फैमिली प्रेशर्स है. ओके, सबकी अपनी ये रीजंस है. So this is completely your choice. Okay, whether you want to go with this, what is right for you. Okay, do you have any other option or not? Okay, so this is completely a person's choice. Okay, yes, this fake experience is a risky factor, and plus here luck will also works. If your luck is good, then everything is fine, and if your luck is not good, तो फिर हम कुछ कह ही नहीं सकते अगर luck ही साथ नहीं है. Okay, so yes, this is a risk plus luck factor. Okay, using this fake experiences. Okay, next comes is how you will going to prepare yourself if you are a fresher or a non-IT person. Okay, and you have included a fake experience. Okay, so one thing is, do practice more number of dummy projects. Okay, or the POCs, that is the proof of concepts. Okay, because working on the dummy projects only will going to give you the confidence in explaining the things. Okay, in explaining the terms, in explaining the project on which you have worked on. It is nothing like you just have worked once on a single project. No, work twice, thrice on a single dummy project, because every time you will going to learn more things. Okay, every time you're going to learn new things, every time your mind will going to think for more customizable options. Okay, so that is why I am saying, and every time it will going to give you the confidence also in explaining and learning the things. Okay, so that is why I am saying जितना ज़्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे डमी प्रोजेक्ट्स पे, उतना ही ज़्यादा आपके लिए अच्छा होगा इंटरव्यू को क्लियर करना. बिकॉज दिस टाइम you will be confident, more confident, not more, much confident in explaining the things. Okay, and you can tackle everything like every questions like what was your out of box requirement, or what was the complex scenario till now you have worked on. Okay, if you already have a practice on working these projects and all, then you can able to explain all these questions. Okay, if you are capable enough to explain these questions, then you can be easily able to clear the interviews. Okay, तो ऐसे मत करना कि हाँ टॉपिक वाइज थियोरेटिकली पढ़ लिया है और फिर एक एक सिनेरियो उन पे कर लिया तो आ गया. नहीं, ये बहुत गलत है, इससे नहीं कुछ आता. ठीक है, इसलिए प्रोजेक्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो ओके, दिस इज डन. वंस यू आर डन विद योर इंटरव्यूअर, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इफ यू गॉट सेलेक्टेड लकीली. ओके, that is your hard work because of which you got selected. Okay, so now the next thing is, at the time of background verification, they used to check your previous company. Okay, so there are you can include your internship company there. Okay, and third party companies are also there which used to provide certificates and the letters and all. You can search online all of them. Okay, so please make sure do not to trap in a spam, because there are multiple companies or the internship companies who used to take your money, and at the time of background verification they just ran away. Okay, so please be sure and please be aware about all these frauds and all. Okay, at the time of background verification your company should be there, or whatever company experience you have added, your company should be there to say yes, the person has worked here in this company from this date to present and all. Okay, so this is done. Now the next thing is, if you are able to clear the interviews, now next is how you will going to handle the things using this fake experiences. Okay, सो अगर आपके पास ऑलरेडी प्रोजेक्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस है, डेट इज आपने डमी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करा है, ओके, एंड यू ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू वर्क, नॉट लिटिल बिट, you know yes how we used to work on the projects. Okay, तो अब you will going to get a KT from the companies. अगर आप स्टार्टअप कंपनी में जा रहे हो तो एक दो दिन में आपके पास काम का बर्डन आ जाएगा. ओके, नो डाउट इन दिस. They used to provide you the projects and the task requirement and all. Okay, but if you are in a MNC and all, they will used to take 2-3 weeks to put you on the project. Okay, and giving you the requirements and all, because before this they used to provide you the trainings, they used to take your proper inductions and all. Okay, so they will going to take 2-3 weeks to work to start with the project. So meanwhile इस टाइम में आप अपनी लर्निंग को कंटिन्यू रखो प्लीज, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है अगर जॉब मिल गई है तो अब बस सब हो गया, नहीं. Now the actual pressure or the hard work will comes in picture. Okay, you have to keep your mind, you have to work patiently. Okay, you have to be confident. Okay, now because yes, there will be some sort of disturbances in the peace of mind, because you earlier you have not worked on the real time projects. Okay, you already know, yes, you have not worked on the projects. Now you will going to get a chance to work on the real projects. They will going to give you the KTs and all. Okay, so try to take everything clearly. Okay, consciously. Okay, understand everything from the whatever the KT they will going to share with you. Okay, if you don't know something in the project, side by side keep learning, go through those topics. Okay, everything is available on the online resources, right? You yourself know everything is available on the Google. So what if there is something which is new in the projects, go and learn side by side, explore yourself in this. Okay, if you face any difficulties or anything which is not, you are not able to understand, just work more hard on this thing, and you can take a help from the seniors and all. Okay, if there is any confusion and you don't know how to do, then instead of waiting and just wasting the time, go and tell to advise you or to help you. Okay, मेक गुड कम्युनिकेशंस विद द टीम मेंबर्स. ओके, जितना ज़्यादा आप अपने टीम मेंबर्स के साथ घुल मिल जाओगे उतना ज़्यादा आपके लिए अच्छा होगा, बिकॉज दे विल बी ओपन इन आस्किंग योर क्वेरीज. ओके, इन आस्किंग फॉर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड ऑल एंड क्लियरिंग योर डाउट्स. ओके, अगर आप साइड बाय साइड अपना लर्निंग भी स्टार्ट रखोगे तो कोई डाउट्स एंड ऑल अगर आपके माइंड में आते भी है तो देन यू कैन गो टू योर सीनियर्स इन द सेम कंपनी एंड क्लियर योर क्वेरीज. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पूरा टॉपिक ही उनसे समझने बैठ गए हो, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. स्पून फीडिंग कोई नहीं करेगा. ओके, यू योरसेल्फ नो एंड यू आर एक्सपीरियंस गाय नाउ. ओके, सो स्पून फीडिंग कोई नहीं करेगा. तो आपकी अगर क्वेरीज है, डाउट्स है, तो यू कैन आस्क दोज डाउट्स एंड क्लियर योर क्वेरीज. ओके, बट करना आपको खुद से ही है सब कुछ, कोई काम करके नहीं देगा. ठीक है, ये पहले ही आपको अपने माइंड में सेट करना होगा. ठीक है, एंड यू आर एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन नाउ, सो द कंपनी विल ऑल्सो गोइंग टू एक्सपेक्ट यू things from you. Okay, they will not going to spoon feed you, and they do not hire you for this spoon feeding. Okay, ठीक है, अगर गुड कम्युनिकेशंस यू शुड बी देयर एंड गूगल सर्च. ओके, गूगल सर्च इज ऑल्सो अ आर्ट. ओके, if there is a requirement and you don't know how to achieve this or how I should go, then try to search the things. Okay, try to search for the similar requirement and how we can approach, what are the different tools using which we can achieve this. Okay, try to do this. So this is a completely smart work. Okay, it will going to take 5 to 6 months to get habitual of this environment and to this technology. Not more than 5 to 6 months. 5 to 6 मंथ्स, जब अगर आप साइड बाय साइड अपनी लर्निंग को क्लियर रखते हो, ओके, अगर आप साइड बाय साइड अपनी लर्निंग को भी कंटिन्यू रखते हो, ओके। ऐसा मत करना कि बस प्रोजेक्ट में बैठ गए हो और सब बस साइड में सब छोड़ दिया है, ठीक है, आप खुद ही फंस जाओगे अपने जाल में, ठीक है। तो कंटिन्यू रखना है लर्निंग को, दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज फेक एक्सपीरियंस से जॉब लेना भी आप ही का डिसीजन था। अब जॉब के बाद वर्क हार्ड करना आपका कंपलसरी है, then only you can able to survive, okay, so think for a long term, okay। और ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ अब जॉब मिल गई है, तो बहुत लोग हैं ऐसे जो जॉब मिलने के बाद now they used to think we need more high package, okay, we need high package, they used to switch। that is the worst decision you will going to take in your life, okay। once you get a job, give it a years, okay, get habitual to the environment, okay, gain the knowledge, okay, gain the confidence on working the projects। once these all things are done and you are satisfied within yourself, then now think of switch, because पैसे तो बन जाएंगे, है ना, you are already in the secure place, okay। आपको अब मेन अपनी नॉलेज पे काम करना है, ठीक है, and you have to gain the experience, real experience, okay। once all these things are done, then now you can switch, okay। स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा कम पैकेज पे काम कर लो, है ना, आप ही का भला है उसमें, फिर बड़े पैकेज पे करते रहना काम, आगे बड़े पैकेज पे ही काम करना है, थोड़ा छोटे पैकेज पे कर लो 1-2 साल काम, है ना, अच्छे से नॉलेज वगैरह गेन कर लो, ताकि अगली बार जब इंटरव्यू दो तो सब कुछ रियल हो, है ना, आपका एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी रियल हो, आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स भी रियल हो, आपकी नॉलेज भी रियल हो, है ना, ठीक है। इसलिए डू नॉट टू थिंक फॉर द गुड पैकेजेस ऑल्सो। एंड अगर आपको थोड़े फेक एक्सपीरियंस के साथ अगर कम पैकेज पे भी जॉब मिली है तो इट्स ओके, कोई गलत नहीं है उसमें, ठीक है, थोड़े टाइम कम पैकेज पे काम कर लो, अच्छे से इन्वायरमेंट में घुस जाओ, सेटल हो जाओ, फिर चीज़ें आपके लिए खुद आसान हो जाएंगी, बहुत आसान हो जाएंगी, ठीक है। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स हाउ यू कैन गोइंग टू हैंडल योर एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड ऑल। एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर वट एवर द कंपनी एक्सपीरियंस यू विल गोइंग टू ऐड, प्लीज बी श्योर इट इज रियल, नॉट फ्रॉड एंड ऑल, ओके। एंड कीप लर्निंग, वर्क ऑन डमी प्रोजेक्ट्स एज मच एज यू कैन, ओके। मुझे पता है कमेंट्स में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे, मैम फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट दिस डमी प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल, ये कहीं नहीं मिल रहे एंड ऑल। सो डोंट वरी, इन द कमिंग वीडियोस आई विल शेयर द डमी प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑल्सो। और सो उन्हीं के भरोसे मत रहना, बट हाँ मैं कुछ अपनी तरफ से भी ट्राई करूंगी कि डमी प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करने के लिए, ताकि आप प्रैक्टिस कर सको, है ना, अपना कॉन्फिडेंस गेन कर सको, अपनी स्किल्स को एनहेंस कर सको, ठीक है। पर उन्हीं के भरोसे मत रहना, अपनी तरफ से भी ट्राई करो कहीं से एक्सपीरियंसेस वो प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह लेने के, है ना, ऑनलाइन डू सर्च एंड ऑल। So if you're so the pros of this fake experience is, if everything goes well, okay, if your learning were good, okay, and you are confident enough, you have already experiences with many dummy projects, so and your luck is with you, so everything will going to smooth and fine, okay, and you can start your career and continue with a long term. But yeah, second thing is, if you have not performed well with the dummy projects, you not having good practices, okay, you are not having a good art of searching the things, okay, and your luck is also not good, then the things will going to be worst, okay, worst in the sense that the company will going to remove you, okay, you have to resign and might even blacklist you, okay. So please, what I suggest you, first try with the real things only, whatever you are, go with it, okay, do not to just go with the fake experiences. This is the step when every door is closed and nothing is left, okay. So yes, then you can try with this, okay. Now the next completely depend on you whether you want to go with this or not, okay, and how you can handle with the things or how you can prepare yourself is what I have explained in this video, okay. So decision at the end आपका है, ठीक है। So that's all for today. Hope you guys find this video worthy, and if you have any questions you can let me know, okay. And in the coming videos we'll be discussing these topics only for the freshers, okay, how we can come in this Salesforce journey, or how we can start our career in this, okay. So we'll be taking up all these related topics only. So till then, take care, goodbye, thank you.